There are two main types of pre-shot routine when putting. One is arc putting and the other one is target putting. When arc putting, when I'm taking my practice strokes, I'm looking down the line, but I'm visualizing the actual break that goes on. So I'm visualizing the arc. If I'm going to arc put, I need to ask myself the question, what colour is that line when I put most effectively? Some people will see it just as a white line. Some other people will see it as a dark line. Other people might see it as being in a kind of beveled shape going down into the hole. But when I'm taking my practice strokes, I need to be looking down that line. This putt's going to move left to right, so I'm actually visualizing all of the line. I just came up a little bit short. So again, visualizing the line, visualizing the pace of the ball roll, using my eyes to look up and down that line. Stroking the putt. Pretty good effort. That's the arc technique. Now the second technique is hitting every putt as if it's a straight putt. Just going to use a couple of T-pegs here to just represent where the target would be. So in this target based routine, once I've read the putt, I'm not going to look at the hole at all. I'm just going to focus on those two T-pegs, aim at those, and gravity should bring the ball back towards the cup. So when I'm looking up here taking my practice strokes, I'm looking at the target, which are those T-pegs, nothing else. See how the ball starts at those two T-pegs, and then it just starts to move with the break, going back down towards the cup. Both are very, very effective. Some of the top players in the world use the arc method. Some of the top players in the world use the target method. Have a go with both and see which one works best for you. But remember, if you're using the target method, never have your last look at the hole, because that then becomes your target and you end up missing the putt way right. So they're the two main types of pre-shot routine for putting.